Hey, Sarah O'Kelly here with Skipper's Review TV, and I am on location with EC Ruff Marine and Dockmate. We're actually in Naples on a 58-foot Naples yacht, and Absolute, never mind, and because they've installed a dock assist remote control, and basically what this is going to do is give access to all your equipment needed to dock your boat, but you have the luxury of being able to leave the helm. But I'm going to let Dockmate fill us in a little bit more on what is different about this particular remote as opposed to other ones.
How you doing, Sarah? Good to see you. Thanks for having us. So we got Nico here. We got one of our great dealers, EC Ruff. They did an installation here on this boat. This boat has Volvo IPS drives and a side power on-off thruster.
So if you could tell me a little bit, what is it about Dockmate that makes it different for installation use purposes than any other remote that's out on the market at the moment?
So Dockmate is a completely plug-and-play product. So,
all right, I'll stop you right there. What does that mean, plug and play?
So it basically means that we don't cut any wires, we don't splice any wires. Everything we do is we plug right into the existing wiring harness that's already on the boat. We have pre-made cables for every product that we use. So for side power and Vetus and Volvo Penta, everything is plug and play.
So if you could give us a quick demo, we're obviously away from the helm.
So let's do it. So we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna turn this baby on, all right? So so we got it now. Now we got control. So you'll see the background move a little bit. So now I just put the remote in reverse, okay? And you can see us moving a bit, okay? And we go forward, you can see that, all right? And then we go ahead and we can twist the boat as well. You can probably hear the engines moving, all right? You can see us twisting a bit, right? We want to make sure we stay clear of the side and everything here. Okay, so we also can operate the thruster, and then we have the anchor and then the horn as well. EC Ruff here did this installation here in Naples on this Absolute. So I'm going to go ahead and engage the DPS here right now, and we're back engaged.
So what we're going to see next, I think, is Nico's actually going to dock the boat using the remote. So we'll see how that goes. So we just saw the boat being docked by the Dockmate. Yeah. How does that communicate with all the main systems?
So this is a transceiver, so it actually transmits and receives. It has a light here that lets you know that it's in communication, and we use some special technology called frequency hopping spread spectrum, which means that yeah, it's technical. So it's using 5 different channels of the 433 megahertz frequency range. They're using them simultaneously, 5 different channels simultaneously, and it's hopping 5 times a second. So that really means that you get no dead spots on the boat. There's no loss of communication, and our range is like 150 feet. So you could really, go any edge of the boat and you have full communication.
So how much less likely or more likely is this system for, say, for instance, the bow thruster to stop, one of the engines to stop, you're on the deck, yep, you're maneuvering your boat, and one of the main crucial systems craps out, let's say, okay, politely. What are you going to do?
Well, so this plugs into the existing systems on the boat. So, if something fails on the boat, then it's also going to fail on the remote. But
and can you adjust the speed of the engine from, say, low power, high power? Is that adjustable, or is it just a standard, this is what it is? Yeah,
so that's where the Dockmate is very different than any of the other products out right now. So the more you push it forward, the more throttle you're going to get. And if the boat is equipped with proportional thrusters, they're going to work the same way. So the more you move the joystick, the more it's going to thrust. So that's very unique, and that's something that that's special with the Dockmate.
So normally, okay, say like we use from 0 to 25. Normally, it would be a standard. That's it. That's all you get. But what you're saying is, with the Dockmate, it can adjust to 0 to 45 if you wanted to, or you can keep it at 0 to 25. Is that what you're saying?
So if the boat has proportional thrusters, right. Absolutely. We have our next generation software that can kind of dial in how much thrust you want. So, if a boat has a bow thruster and a stern thruster, you know that the bow is always going to overtake the stern, right? So we can dial down the bow thruster so that the boat moves exactly, even. Our customized software, you can give the personal touch to this joystick.
Is that unique to this Dock Assist remote?
100%, yes. It's one unique to ours. I mean, our next generation software is cutting edge. I mean, you literally can change all the little parameters on the joystick.
Where is it originally designed?
The product originates in Belgium. Been around for 8 years, and we've been in business here in the United States for 2 years.
And how's it doing?
It's doing phenomenal. Yeah. So more often than not, people don't know that the technology exists. We get that. We attend all the main boat shows, locally and nationwide. And two, we offer a money-back guarantee. So, 30 days, has satisfaction guarantee. So we've never had anybody take us up on it, but we'll see how it goes. So, but
right.
Everybody seems to love the product.
Well, Mark, thank you so much and good luck.
Thank you very much. I appreciate it.
Okay.